Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make really easy candied pecans. The thing that I like about this is you get to control the sweetness on them versus the store-bought ones. These are great as a snack or on salads, so let me show you how to make them. So the first thing that we're going to start out with is our sugar. We have our sugar here in a bowl. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. I'm going to add in some really hot water. This is just to dissolve the sugar. Now it's okay if it doesn't fully dissolve because we're gonna bake these also, which will also help with that. But if you wanna be sort of anal retentive about it, you can just put it in the microwave to make sure that the sugar completely dissolves. So just mix that together with the hot water. Okay, so now we're gonna mix in our pecans. And we're just gonna mix the pecans until they're fully coated with the syrup. Okay, now that they're coated, I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna lay them out on a lined baking sheet, and we're gonna bake them for just a few minutes just to fully crisp up that sugar, give them a nice coating. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the pecans and lay them out on the lined baking sheet. Get all that syrup on there. And this part's really important. You wanna make sure you kind of spread them out evenly so they're not touching if you can, so that way they don't stick together when they're done baking. So just kind of work them all out. Now we're going to bake them at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Okay, so after the nuts are finished baking, take them out and put the baking sheet on a wire rack and let it cool for about 20 minutes. At that point, you can chop them up if you want, or you can just leave them whole. I personally think they look great just whole with all like the crystallized sugar on them, so I'm gonna leave them that way. They're great for salads, however you wanna use them, great as a snack. They'll last for about a week in an airtight container. So hey, there you go. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. Also, if there's something that you want to see, I'm always looking for inspiration. So just drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.